Good morning, Heritage, and welcome to the June Assembly. It is the last week of school. We have almost made it to the end. Before we end the school year, we have a few things to get to, including this assembly. So today we have a number of announcements as we finish off the last week of school, get into the summer, even look ahead to next year. One of the things we are going to talk about are the Vista Olympics coming up on Thursday, as well as our Wellness Day that is coming up this Sunday. We have a few awards, including our Perfect Attendance Awards that we are going to give out, and we will finish by celebrating our final Students of the Month and our Employee of the Month. So starting with our announcements, all this week we have our virtual and in-person art gallery on display. So I encourage you to come visit, if you are on campus, our physical art gallery, and whether you're on campus or at home, you can explore the virtual art gallery. Check your email. Mr. Hernandez has sent out an email to everyone, so you can get the link and access to the virtual art gallery that will be available all week long. Our 8th grade culmination rehearsal will be later today at 12 o'clock. And following that, tomorrow we will have the actual 8th grade culmination ceremony at 5 p.m. We are all very, very excited that we are going to have an in-person culmination ceremony again to celebrate our 8th graders. Then on Thursday, the day after culmination, we'll have our Vista Olympics, and as I mentioned, I will talk about that in just a second, a little more. And our last day of school is this Friday, only 4 more days of school left. After the last day of school, this Sunday, we have our Wellness Day, and again, I will go into some more detail about what you can expect at Wellness Day in a later slide. On June 14th, some of you have signed up for summer school. June 14th through July 9th is going to be our summer school. It is from 8:30 to 12:30 each day during those 4 weeks. And lastly, it's never too early to look into and look ahead to the next school year. So our next school year will start on Monday, August 9th. Now, looking more at the Vista Olympics, which will be this Thursday. It will be from 8:45, starting with the opening ceremonies, and then we'll have a number of events and celebrations throughout the morning, and then we will culminate with our closing ceremonies at 12 o'clock. We do have a number of challenges, really fun challenges to engage with throughout the day, as well as really interesting cultural country explorations based on each of the classroom countries that our teachers have. So I encourage you to really explore and have fun during that day, because after all, we are a global academy, and this is a wonderful way to explore and educate for global competence. Now this Sunday is our first ever Wellness Festival, and it will be from 12:30 to 4:30 p.m. and we're holding it right here at Vista. So I encourage all of you, whether you are coming to school every day or even if you're at home, I encourage you to bring your family and your friends to the Wellness Festival. It's going to be a great time. We're going to have free haircuts, free dental screenings, a free jiu-jitsu or self-defense class led by an actual celebrity trainer coming down from Hollywood. We're going to have free mental health screenings and guided mindfulness sessions and other community-based resources available. We're going to have free COVID testing. We also have free COVID vaccines available for all middle schoolers. Everyone 12 and up can get vaccinated here at Vista on Sunday, and the link is right there. It is tinyurl.com/Vista vaccine. You do have to sign up if you do want a vaccine. It is the Pfizer vaccine, so it will be the first dose, and then we have also scheduled the second dose 3 weeks later. So I encourage you. It is not mandatory, but I highly encourage, if you haven't been vaccinated yet, to come and get vaccinated on Sunday. Again, it's completely free. Plus, we'll have free food, we'll have free beverages, we'll have even free prizes. So bring the whole family, bring your friends, your neighbors, and it's going to be a wonderful time. So you can also register for all of these other events. All of the events except the vaccines, you can register at www.calendly.com/Vista Wellness Day 2021, and you'll see all of the options available, and sign up for different time slots. Have your parents sign up. Again, everyone is able to come, whether you are part of Vista or not. It is open to the public, and I hope to see you there. So getting on to our awards, we're going to start with the Perfect Attendance Awards. These are people who have not missed a single day of school and not been tardy to a single class for the entire school year. What a feat. So congratulations to Josie Acevedo, Daisy Nazario, Sergio Godoy, Abraham Hippolito, Allison Flores, Luna Gonzalez, Catherine Lopez, Leslie Martinez, and Melvin Tolentino. Great job. That is absolutely amazing, not to miss a single day of school or even miss or be late to a single period all year long. Moving on to our Staff Recognition Awards, starting with the person I nominated, Allison Flores. Mr. Bailey nominated Marco Solis. Mr. Lugo nominated Giovanni Raso Avelos. Ms. McCahan nominated Anthony Angeles Pimentel. Ms. Victor nominated Luna Gonzalez. Ms. Sotero nominated Damian Ramirez. Ms. Alley nominated Esther Salgado Vasquez. Ms. Walker nominated Isaiah Silva. Ms. Mackey nominated Juliana de la Cruz. Ms. Douglas nominated Benjamin Avila. Mr. Chorn nominated Genesis Cisneros de la Mora. Ms. Marchand nominated Ashley Hernandez. Ms. Brown nominated Alexandra Lopez. Ms. Huff nominated Leslie Gutierrez. Mr. Jimenez nominated Brianna Ortiz, Miranda Tolentino, and Odile Contreras. Ms. Gallardi nominated Andrea Ortiz, Esther Salgado, and Juliana de la Cruz. Mr. Hernandez nominated Samantha Canales. Ms. Ramos nominated Angel Lopez. Ms. Gonzalez nominated Stephanie Silva. Ms. Chavez nominated Christian Luciano. Ms. Jackie nominated Lindsay Claudio. Miss Anna nominated Destiny Acevedo Soto. Mr. Julian nominated Renee Salado. Mr. Inga nominated Marissa Vargas. Miss Mia nominated Mariana Flores. Mr. Fabian nominated Jaden Salaya. Miss Rachel nominated Genesis Cisneros de la Mora. Miss Limon nominated Jared Reyes Carranza. Miss Ruth nominated Alan Moreno Valdivia. Mr. Uriel nominated Luis Cruz. Mr. Alberto nominated Israel Duran. Mr. Javier nominated Israel Vega. Miss Julie nominated Josie Acevedo. Mr. Eric nominated Jocelyn Salgado Vasquez. And Miss Linda nominated Guadalupe Martinez. Congratulations to all of our Staff Recognition Award winners. Wonderful job. So proud of you. Keep up the great work. Now for our final 6th grade Student of the Month. Congratulations to Marco Solis. Congratulations, Marco. Our final 7th grade Student of the Month. Congratulations to Jennifer Brito. Way to go, Jennifer. And our final 8th grade Student of the Month. Congratulations to Imelda Mora. Way to go, Imelda. And congratulations, Marco, as well as Jennifer. Great job. Now we have one final Employee of the Month as we finish off the school year. And this employee has done everything for Vista. This employee has given it her all throughout her time here, and we are really going to miss her. And thank you so much for everything you have done in the past 11 years for Vista. Congratulations, Miss Huff. You deserve it. So with that said, that is our final assembly of the school year. I hope you have a wonderful final week of the school year. Congratulations, 8th graders, on your culmination on finishing middle school. I'm really looking forward to seeing you all in person in the sanctuary at the 8th grade culmination tomorrow. And to all of you, have a wonderful and safe summer, and I can't wait to see you in August. Thank you and take care.